This is Ramki. Welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to teach you the COBOL 400. I'm going to start the programming. So I don't want to waste the time now. So those who are new, please follow my previous video where I already given how to log in and how to connect with PUB 400. Then login. Okay. So previously, what we use the user ID is I think user 0345, then small letter user 0345. Okay, sorry, 0345. Once you key in, last time I teach you strpdm, enter, then 3, then just go ahead, take our source q cbl src, where don't have any source, correct? So okay, sorry, this one I already created, so I will delete it first. Okay, this is my new. So what we are going to do now, I need to give some brief description about COBOL before I start programming. So let me give you some idea about introduction of COBOL 400. The COBOL 400 is nothing but a common business oriented language. It's an English like language and it's an user friendly language. Okay, before we start uh, the development, we have to make sure some few steps we have to understand, so that it's easy to write a program. So first we have to determine the program specifications, like what are the fields we need, like what name, date of birth, everything, what is the size of the field, what layout, how we are going to print, design the program using programming tool, that is nothing but logic, how to add, what's supposed to print, what's supposed to read next, something like that. Code and enter the program, write the set of instruction to just write the some set of instruction, that is nothing but the coding. Okay, then compile the program into AS400 object. So that means the compiler will translate the code into the machine language, that is called objects. Okay, object, actually it's not objects. So then document the program, that's it. Okay, okay, now we will in COBOL we have some basic things like main main mandatory is like okay, we will start with some divisions. Okay, don't think that COBOL is very tough. You take it as easy. So it's like first we have some four divisions. So we call it as a identification division, then environment division, data division, and procedure division. Okay, these divisions, it will classify it further. Like identification division will have a program ID, then environment division will have an input output section, file control, then data division will have a file section, working storage section, and procedure division. Okay, the like identification division means here the program ID we are going to key in who is the author of the program. So program ID, then we give the author name. Environment division, we are going to give what are the input files and what are the output files we are using in the program. The file control is nothing but you want to access the file, is a sequentially going to access randomly or something. Those things are under file control. Okay, um, working storage section, I mean data division have a file section and working storage section. The file section is nothing but it's referring the attributes of the file which you define inside the file control. Then the working storage section is nothing but we declare our own variable to compute something or to print something. It's a local variable. Okay, okay, that's it. Now what we are going to do, we are planning to create one program. That program is going to read the record from some physical file. That file contains some data like name and customer number and customer name. Once we read, and we are going to print and the report. Okay, so try first. So we have to create some file name as a cus file, then program name is cus pgm1. Okay, let's we start immediately, because last video I take too long, so it's very bore for to those who are go through video will take long. Okay, let's see. Cus file. Okay, I will first create the file. Okay, cust file pf. I put type as a pf. I just press F6. Okay, then I just enter. So it's we came here. So I put here. You just go here. Just put R in this T. Here, once you press F4, it's going to tell you that what going to key in as a record name. So this is nothing but a record name. So I put cus masr. Okay, enter. Nothing to do with this. Then just go here, add the fields. This is the record name for the file. Okay, under the record we have to create some files. So I put cust number, customer number. Okay, then I put F4. So this customer number, it will prompting to key in what is the size of the customer number. I put as a 10. Okay, then it's asking the type. We have a lot of types. For time being I choose yes. Yes means is a zone decimal. So I use this one. This one is just leave it as it is 0, nothing, it's a default. Okay, um, then I give here maybe the heading, column heading, call HLD, like customer number. Sorry, text maybe. I just put text. Okay, then I go here. Next one you just follow. Cus, cus name NME. I put as a size maybe 30. Uh, this one is a alphabet, so I put A. Then I put the text as what is that? Customer name. So that's it. Then I define some key. Maybe here, if you want later, if you want to retrieve the record by pointing the key, can easily correct. So I just put A. Sorry, K. K means key. So in here, R means record, K means key. So just put K, and I put customer number as a key. Okay. So that's it. Then I just save F3. Maybe if you want key in some name, customer file, physical file. File. So I created. So I to compile. I already told you this is the file we are going to compile. So first, before you compile, you make sure the object is not there. strpdm work object obj us file. Okay, it's not there here. So I'm going to compile as again 14. um, 14. Next, just go here, enter. So if you enter, it's saying customer file was created. So if you want to see the data, just run query. This is a command star, and then you put the library name first. Library, we already know that is user 03451 slash, then file name. The file name is, we just know we created cus file. So this is the file object name. So if you enter here, you will see cust number and cust name was created, but nothing was there. Okay, no data, so nothing was there. So if you want to see insert data, just use the utility upd Okay, enter. Once you enter, it's asking what is the file name. Cus file, uh, file, then user 03451. Okay, just enter. Type the number as a maybe. Um, so put one name key. Okay, then trace. Let me copy this because it's taking long time. I don't want to waste the time. So let's copy and just paste it. Three trace. Then what else? So here the customer number is it's it's highlighted as a white because it's a key. Okay, so if you try to enter the same, it won't allow. So here the message already say enter key not allowed in this field. Okay, anyway we already entered around 4 records, so let me come out. Okay, so I have to clear this thing. I will come out first. F, F3 to exit, so just F3. Okay, just F3, then I just F9 to retrieve my previous command. Sorry, F9 to retrieve the previous command. I just run query, so I can see the 4 record is already added. Okay, now we go and add the programming. I think the video is going too late. Okay, what is the program now name we suggested? We suggested cus pgm1. Okay, cus pgm1 cbl. Okay. Okay, in COBOL we have around four divisions. Okay, the starting all divisions has to start with the position 8. So here the position is means this is the like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh position is only for command purpose to comment the some. If you want to comment the line to indicate something, you can use that position as a star or slash. Then this position is the one going to start the programming. So let me start first. Identification division. ENVIRON environment division. Data division. Procedure division. Okay, so all 4 divisions already entered. Let me save first. Nothing to do. So apart from this, our aim is we are planning to uh, open the file. Okay, I just comment first here, open file, that cus file, and read the file and just print the records as spool file. Better I teach before what is mean by spool file. Okay, sorry, you just go up F9. Okay, so here work SPLF is the spool file which we have a lot here. So you can see a lot of spool file is there. You can check here. So many people is doing something. And this is a spool file content. Later we come here. Okay, if any error, when you compile any error, anything, you can come and check here. So okay, now we go and okay, identification. We are going to add the program ID. Program ID CUS PGM1. Okay, environment input output section. Output section, uh, file control. At this place we are going to declare the file. So file select file name is which file. We can define your username here. So I put as a same name cus file. For to differentiate I put input file. Okay, inf cus file assign to database. So this is the database which we created already, cus file. This is the original name here. So just put here. Then now I want to select printer. I want to print the details into spool file. So we have the printer qprint is the predefined qprint. So spool file. So we're going to use that one. So just define name first as a out print is assigned to data. So assigned to q printer -qprint. So this is the qprint which is output file. So we use this one. Then we directly go here, fd, sorry, file section fd cusmasp. Okay, it's actually inf cusfile file. Okay, then 01, you have to declare the you have to define the variables under the file. Cus mas record name, you have to define the record name first. Cus mas I just put customer record, customer maybe, yeah, record cus file. Okay, so then I am later guys I teach you how what is the meaning for 0105 everything. Let me first complete the program. Customer number, pick 9 of 10, 05, first NME, pick X of 30. Okay, I think 40 or 30, whatever never mind, it's okay. So I put already. Now this one is completed. Now we have to declare the file description for the qprint. So we have to, here we have to put output print 01, print r, I put record. Okay, record print, rec print. Okay, then I am declaring the fields how to print. Okay, just I put that maybe description one I want to, maybe we put working storage description one. I just put first I want to print as a x of 30 or maybe 20 lah, 20. I say value is equal to, I declare maybe first you can value spaces lah. First leave it this one, later we default the value here. So 05 we customer plus number for printer file. Okay, so I put here pic 9 of 10, then 05 wsdesc hyphen 2 pic x20 is for some default. I will define as a name. So 05 this one cust no nmep, I just define your own name, pic x of 40. Okay, now we declare some working storage section is under here, correct? So we have to declare some working storage section. Okay, where I declared some flag like the file was readed at the end or not. So ws maybe end of file, evof end of file status. Okay, so now I go to the prompt. So far what we did is we just declared the file. Where is it? We just key in all the divisions, then we are declare the file, customer file and output print file. Okay, so I go here. Now we are going to follow the open the file name. We put inf cust file. Okay, then open, sorry, which mode we are going to open, input inf file. This is input file, so I put input. This is for output, so I put output inf, sorry, out print. So this one should be actually the margin supposed to be start with B. I didn't tell you these things. Never mind. We just move here. It will force you to key in. We force you to move if you don't know. Okay. So now we already open. Now what we are going to do? We have to read the file. So if you want to read the file, I want to read the file separately as a separate para. So I'm going to perform. Okay, before that I want to define this as a separate paragraph. So 000 main para. Okay, so now here I'm going to say that perform. Okay, first I define one more para here, later I come back. 1000 read input, read cus file. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, read inf cus file. At the end what's supposed to do, we have to say that the file is reached end, so we have to move y to ws eof flag, eof status. Okay, just end read. This is the end read. Then you have to just to continue move the fields from move cust no of rec cus mas cus, cus, what you put the record name there. We are moving the record. Okay, so first we have to move the record from this one to, we are moving the record to cust nop of actually we no need to give also, but print. Okay, then move cust enemy of rec cus file to cust enemy of rec print, then write the record print. That's it. So everything is moved and it's going to print. That's it. Okay, first I will check the record name is correct or not. The customer record name, what we put record name, we put output. Okay, rec print and rec is correct only, so nothing to worry. So now after sorry. Okay, so here we, after I open the file, I'm saying that perform, meaning I'm going to read, go to the paragraph and perform and come back. So perform 1000 read plus file. Okay, until ws eof status is equal to y. So before that we have to move the flag as n before we start. Okay, so I have to say that uh, okay, I have to put period here always. COBOL statement we have to put period. Perform per, so perform. Okay, so here I just move the uh, spaces to wseof status. Okay, then now after you read, it will be move the values and print. Okay, then stop run. That's it. Then stop run means it will end the program. So we see now, guys, I think the program is looks completed. Let's see. I'm just go here. Okay, I forgot to inform you that we have to move the values. um, okay, see here, this description one, we have to move something uh, so that it will print the customer number, then real number will come, then hard code the value is a customer name, then name will come from the database. So what I'm going to do, description one, I'm going to move the value below. So here I come here, um, move customer number to ws desc description one. Okay, then another one is copy and paste. Okay, a c and a is pasting customer name name name. Okay, put like this. This one you can change to 1 2. So I save the program, I come out, I'll say that customer printing details. See now, it's not coming. So customer printing details. Okay, just 14. So if I compile, sure it will come some error. Let's see first. Um, See, we have error. So you put sp here, or you just type here as a work spool file. Okay. But I will show you first. I will take it out, then go here, work splf, just shift f6. Shift f6 means bottom. So where is here shift? You put shift f12, so you will see the what is the extra. See, f6, shift f6 is 18, correct? So 18, see bottom is there. So if you see bottom, so just press F6, shift F6, just go down. You see our program is already there. This one is our last one. So if you check F11 to retrieve the timing. So if you see this is our timing. So just go here, um, press F5, 5. Then you go down bottom. You see here the error code is 32. 39 is 2 error. This one is just a severity. Just I mean, it's you can ignore this 220 to 29. These are warning. 5 to 19 is a warning error. Just we look for 30 and 39. Just page up. You see this is wrong. So I think this one supposed to have a P. So I will change this one. Then I page up. I see what is the error. INF file is also wrong. So we go and change this one. Okay. So if you go and change here INF file, we don't have, we have a cust file actually. So INF file, for finding, just put F, it will find, sorry, F INF file, it will find the word. Where is it? Okay, it will take you. So here we have to say INF cust file, INF cust file. Okay, then we saw the another one. This one is supposed to have a P. So we take here P. That's it. We just save again. Then F3, enter. I go on 14 again, F4, enter. Compile already. So now I'm going to call the program. Call same thing, user 0341451 slash cus pgm1, or directly you can call because the current library is already a user. Just enter, then work splf, just go shift f6, go down. You can see the detail from the database. See, it's already printed customer number. The number is 1 and 2 3. Okay, here we have some blank, we need some blank, so we have to adjust accordingly. Let me do it that one, and I will end this section because it takes more than 20 minutes. It's not good. Okay, I will change here. Maybe I change here as a blank. So if I change here blank, then okay, I will enter. I will compile again. 14 compile. Okay, enter OI. Then I just put here worksport file. Sorry, I have to call first, correct? Okay, I'm a call. Where is it call? Call already. Shift F6. Go here. Just check the SL here. Okay. See F5 first. You print. So here the workspool file, you have to press F5 to refresh, or else you can go back and come back again. Okay, so here you see it's already have a detail. So it's reading correctly, but only thing, the last record, when it comes, it's reading the last record and printing the last record also. Actually we have to exit from the once we hit error, we have to exit. So we have to do like here reading. If you find the reading, you can see here. uh, Once you see the end, you have to go back. So I will put here true, meaning okay, we have the paragraph like this, amended like this, THRE through 1000 exit. Okay, so until exit, until, just put until ws end of status is equal to y. Okay, so meaning from here to another paragraph is ending with, I put here as another paragraph name is 1000 0 hyphen exit. I will say that it should the exit means it will directly exit this routine. That's it. So once you exit, but what we supposed to do once it's reach end of file, sorry, go to 1000 exit. Okay, sorry. So this one you just save again. Hope you guys understand first. I don't know whether I'm fast or not. So I just open the file, then output file, then move the spaces to the end of file, then reading the customer file from this para to this para until end of status is equal to y. So once I come down, if you see here, I'm reading the file. Yeah, it's not end of file first record, so it's moving the first record, second record, and third record, fourth record. When it comes fifth record, it say that it's end of file. So once it's started end of file, it will go here exit, then the cursor, I mean, yeah, the pointer go up, it will go here, it's reached already, then it will stop run. Okay, let me save again. I compile, then I stop this video after that. Sorry, 14. I just put y, yes, delete and exit object again. Okay, so I will call again. I call already work SPLF. Just go down, I will see the video. Okay. See, it's now it's only Ramki, Suresh, Praveen and Prakash. So previously it's one more record, the last record against its reading is wrong. Okay. Mm. Okay. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I will stop my section now. Later I try to teach few more programs with online screens. Thank you.